This is a tutorial to how to make a paper airplane. Start by taking a rectangle sheet of paper, preferably an A4 size. Fold it in half and then unfold it. Take the right upper corner of the paper and fold it on the center line we just made to make a right angle, and repeat those steps on the left upper corner. Take the center corner all the way on the top and fold it on the center line, where you want to have about an inch. Then take the upper right corner and fold it to the center line so that you get about an inch, and do the same to the left upper corner. Now take the small triangle we made and fold it up so that the peak touches the center line. You can now fold it in half so that the back of the two lower corners touch. Then we can start doing the wings by taking this part and folding it so it's parallel to this line. And repeat the steps on the other side of the plane. And here, your plane is almost finished. You can do a couple of tweaks by folding a little bit the wings, and they're finished.